Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to set a cover for your video on CapCut. So first things first, you're going to choose the video you're editing, of course, and then right before you start with the video, there's a little square that says cover, and it has like a little pencil icon. We're going to click on that, and all you have to do is just find a spot from the video you like enough to put it as your cover. You can upload a picture from your camera roll. You can use a template already that's from CapCut, and you can even add text. I like this right here. So once you find something you like, you're gonna click on the top right corner that says save. And as you can see, our cover is changed to the little red heart with the tattoo spider on it. And that's about it. That's how you change or set your cover picture on CapCut. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.